today I'm going to show you how to find images that are quality images for Photoshop. Usually we just go to Google and we search for something that you are going to use as a background or an image that you're going to place into your Photoshop. And I'm just going to search sunset today. Go ahead then and click on images. And you can then see an array of lots of different sunsets. In order to make sure that we are getting an image that is quality, like we saw in the video prior to this with resolution, we want to make sure that we're searching for a picture that has a lot of pixels. So what I usually do is I go up to the top here to the tools and then to size, and I click on large. That's going to help weed out some of the small images that aren't really going to have good resolution. Then once you click on the photo, it'll show over in the preview plane, and then it shows you how large in pixels your image actually is. I say as a general rule of thumb, try not to use any images that are smaller than 1500 in either direction. Don't copy and paste this image here. You'll actually want to go to the website and find the actual image. Sometimes they even have like a download image button, and that is the best quality you can get of that photo. But then at that point, you can do save image as, and I'd like you to start a folder of images. Oops. So you can start making a collection of things that you might want to use in the future. Once we actually get Photoshop and working on Photoshop, I will show you a different way to also put images into your project. But for now, I'd like you to start creating a little bit of a library of images so you have something to pull from later. Okay, there's one last thing that I need to show you about finding your photos for Photoshop. Since this is an educational class and we are in a school, we do need to make sure that we are using photos that are images people are allowing us to use. We don't ever want to use someone's work that they aren't comfortable with you actually changing or using in an artistic way. So underneath that tool settings, there is a usage rights tab. And if you click on that, you get two choices. Creative Commons license is what we are going to select. Basically what that does is it makes all of the images here now in your Google image search usable for you. These are images people have set the rights so that you're allowed to use them, create things with them, and they're willing to share them for that purpose. So make sure when you are searching for images in the future, you do both the size and the Creative Commons licenses.